Sorry, you guys, I had a little mix-up with the recorder, and now I'm gonna have to pause. Sorry about that. I just had a little something weird happened. I don't know what happened, though. Okay, guys, I think I got it fixed. And this is the wrong server. Okay, guys, I got it fixed, and now I'm gonna be playing on the Woonem Part 3. The last Part 3, I made another Part 3, then it failed. So, during the Part 3 that you guys didn't see, I finished the sugarcane farm. I mean, I haven't finished it. I'm still placing some sugarcane. I'm still placing some sugarcane. Also, I was playing a little off server. I mean, not off server. I was playing a little bit off when I was on YouTube, and I kind of died and lost all of my rating stuff. So now I'm gonna have to wait until tomorrow to get some stuff to raid. So I don't really know what to do today. Like, I'm just jumping around. Actually, let's play a different server. We've played the Woonem a couple of times. I'm gonna show you petco.net. It's pretty fun. There's 4 ones that you can go on: Fractions, Survival, Creative, Prison, Skyblock, or Kit PvP. I've barely played Fractions at all. I'm in the middle of a mountain, so there's just always clouds, and it's so annoying. And you can't even destroy clouds. That's the bad part. You can't even destroy clouds. So, yeah, my life is kind of just meh. Literally just only meh. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna die because I'm gonna restart. Just gonna eat a little bit pork chop. Actually, why am I eating? I'm trying to die. Oh well. Really hope I don't keep items because I had a lot of items. Sorry, I'm having trouble speaking. I had a lot of items that I did not need to have. Na 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 na, you can't get me. So nobody actually trying to come for me. Come for me. Ooh. Can I break this head? No, I can't. Nice chest. I have a question for all of my subscribers. How do you make these? How do you make them? I have no clue. Leave a comment down below telling me how to make them. I know how to make that. It's easy. But the thing is, I don't know how to make the other ones. I don't know how to make it. So it's kind of, can't make anything. These are the crates, whatever, slash WILD, wild, slash, am I? Seriously, I think I just found somebody's base. Pretty sure, I'm 100% sure I just found somebody's base. I'm like the most sure guy in the world. Yep, it's definitely somebody's base. Destroy this. Good. Didn't give me. I don't want no stink. Trash. Whatever. I don't really like this server very much. So I'm gonna make my episodes 8 to heck. I don't really know. 7 or 8 minutes long for each episode. I don't know why. Just, it'll take a whole bunch of time for it to load if I made them like an hour long or 15 minutes long. Like part 2, I didn't realize it was being 14 minutes long. This one's 4 minutes and 45 seconds already. I don't want to die again. I mean, I wasn't playing this server when I died before. Yeah, this server is, it's okay. I don't like it. Okay, let's play this one. It's Oh, I forgot what it's called. I usually play the Wither Realm. I don't have very much stuff on it because I died and hid all of my stuff, but forgot to put the numbers. So now I can't get my stuff back. Which means I'm just poor running around wanting people to help me. Also, I don't even know where the shop is. Can you please help me? Because I don't know how to get from wild to here to shop. I'm doing an episode. So, please just help me. I need help with this server because I have no clue how to use it. Last but not least, this server. I'm just showing you all of my servers. This isn't all of them, but this one has a whole bunch of stuff. Skyblock, creative, prison, ultra hardcore, kit PvP, fractions. I haven't actually played fractions on this one. And survival and arena, PvP arena. So, yes. I'm not going to be able to make some videos in a couple of days because, well, I just won't be able to. Where did that go? Give me it. /WILD. Don't kill me. Why am I teleporting? You are unable to use this command in this world. It says so confused. Is fractions a game on this one? I don't know. I like playing on this one just to play one game. That game is, I want to see what this game is. I've never played Murder Mayhem or Cake Wars or Champion Builders. Well, I do play Capture the Flag. Sorry, that will be all for this episode. I'm Sonic. Wait, no, come on, I'm going the wrong way. Come on. No. Yeah, I'm Sonic. Actually, I should be like, right, no, wrong way. I should be right here. Yeah, I'm Sonic, bro. Goodbye. Boop.